Kia ora koutou, naia nei, o ākua nei pea when you get here. Māku e mihi atu ki a koe, kia koutou katoa. He karanga tēnei, nau mai, haere mai. Welcome, come and join me at our Te TIHI, free 4-day Reo Tikanga Summit for beginners. And we can't get to the summit of that maunga straight away. We've got to start at Te Pūtake. So we'll start at Te Pūtaketanga o Te Reo Māori for beginners, intermediate, and maybe a little bit more if you want to come and help me. But let's start off with a waiata. Māku rā pea. Māku rā pea. Māku rā pea. Māku koe. E awhi e, ki te ara tupu, māku koe, e awhi e. Te rā pea māku koe e awhi, te rā pea mau ahau e awhi, te rā pea mātāua, rāua o rātau tātau e awhi. If that's you, nau mai, haere mai, and kia ora koe for joining me. Kotahi, kotahi anake. But they always say there's one ear listening. So if that's you guys running a 4-day free Reo and Tikanga Summit for beginners of Te Reo Māori. If that sounds like you, next week, next Sunday, not tomorrow, next Sunday, 7 p.m, kiwi, nau mai, haere mai. That's all I'm going to say. You're welcome. You're welcome to come, or you're welcome not to come. Don't come if it's not you. Don't come if you're not going to put yourself out there. Don't come if you're going to say, I'm in, and then do nothing about it. But if you're keen, jump out of this page, wherever you're seeing this, go into FBook Messenger and DM me direct with Te TIHI 2025. I look forward to it. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you soon. I reckon that's enough. Let's start at the bottom. Someone said to me once, bro, we're having a barbecue. I said, oh, cool, I'll be there. He said, if you want steak, bring steak. I went, what does that mean? He goes, well, don't come and bring sausages and eat all the steak. So I use that sometime and I say, if you want fun, bring fun. And if you're prepared to get amongst it, challenge yourself from the basics in a supportive group, then nau mai, haere mai, be my guest. Come along and we'll have 4 days next week, starting Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and finishing on the following Sunday. So 4 days to get amongst it. I sometimes call it the Matariki reset. So reset all those real goals, health, hauora goals, whatever goals. But that's ours and we can own that. Matariki reset. We're halfway through the year and we've got 6 months to go, coming up soon till the end of the year. I reckon that's enough. As I say, that's enough for a mellow puff. So if you want fun, bring some. Yes, it is free. But you do have to play by coming along, being positive, turn those cameras on, get amongst it, and let's see if we can get you excited and passionate about the next 6-month journey for you to the end of this year and increase your reo. And let's head up that maunga. Māku rā pea, māku rā pea, māku koe, e awhi e. Ki te ara tupu, māku koe, e awhi e. Yay, that's us. Have a good weekend. It's Saturday night. Have a good weekend or whenever you get here. Thanks for coming in and having a listen. Share it around if you like. I'll go and wait at my messengers and I'll wait to hear from you. Otherwise, I'll see you when I'm looking at you. Have a wonderful weekend. Te hei mauri ora. Boof.